On this Mori NZX machine with CELOS CNC, we're gonna see how to change the date and time. You have to go to edit windows and select settings. In settings, you have to change this area message to settings, machine settings, and in general settings, you have to close first editing window. And in general settings, you have right here the date and time, and now is 4 p.m. 36:37. So this is in 16, and the time is 38, let's say. Okay, and you can set also the volume. Oh, sorry, I don't know why didn't get the confirmation. 16. I forgot to set the time. There you go. So, and then you have a volume. You can set the volume, upper panel brightness, which is this one, and lower panel brightness, which is this one. So that's it. Thank you.